Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to subtract fractions with like denominators. Now, like denominators just means we have fractions with the same denominator. Let's jump into number 1, where we have 3/5 minus 1/5. So we can see here that we have like denominators, that same denominator of 5. Now, whenever we are subtracting fractions and we have like denominators, all we need to do is subtract the numerators, the top numbers, and then we keep the denominator the same, the bottom number the same. That will give us our answer, and we can look to simplify that answer if possible, if needed. So for number 1, let's start by subtracting those numerators. 3 minus 1 gives us 2, and then we keep that denominator of 5 the same. So we end up with 2/5. And that's our answer. Now, can we simplify 2/5? No. 2/5 is in simplest form. The only common factor between 2 and 5 is 1. So again, this is in simplest form. We are done. Our answer for number 1, 2/5. Let's move on to number 2, where we have 9/12 minus 5/12. So we have a like denominator here. We have that same denominator of 12. So we can go ahead and subtract the numerators. 9 minus 5 gives us 4. And then we keep that denominator of 12 the same. So we end up with 4/12. Now 4/12 can be simplified. We have common factors other than 1 that we can divide 4 and 12 by. The greatest common factor is 4. We can divide 4 by 4 and 12 by 4. So let's divide 4 by 4 and 12 by 4. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, and 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. So we get 1/3. The only common factor between 1 and 3 is 1, so we are done here. This is in simplest form now. So our final simplified answer is 1/3. So there you have it. There's how to subtract fractions with like denominators. All we need to do is subtract the numerators, and then we keep the denominator the same. That will give us our answer, and then we can look to simplify that answer if needed. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.